Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up a Roobet account. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Roobet website. Look for the Register or Sign Up button, usually found in the top right corner of the homepage, and click it. You will then be prompted to create a unique username and a strong password. Make sure your password includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. Next, you'll need to enter a valid email address. Roobet will send a verification link to this email, so check your inbox and click the link to confirm. Following this, you will complete the Know Your Customer, or KIC, process. This involves submitting identification documents, such as a government-issued ID and proof of address. This step is crucial for security and compliance, typically taking less than 24 hours for approval, once all documents are correctly uploaded. Once your account is verified, it's time to fund your wallet. Navigate to the Cashier or Deposit section. Roobet primarily operates with cryptocurrencies, so you'll select your preferred option, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin. You'll be given a unique wallet address to which you should send your funds. Double-check the address and the amount before confirming the transaction to ensure a smooth deposit process. With your funds successfully deposited, you are now ready to explore everything Roobet has to offer. Check your account balance to confirm the deposit has been processed, which usually happens within minutes for crypto transactions. You can now browse through hundreds of games, from slots to live dealer experiences and sports betting. Remember to always play responsibly, setting limits on your time and spending to ensure an enjoyable and safe experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.